What if everything you knew about beer was wrong? What if, instead of being the villain, beer could actually be a hero in disguise? A surprising twist, isn't it? Beer for centuries has been the backbone of many social gatherings, casual meetups, and celebrations. It's often associated with laughter, camaraderie, and good times. Yet it's also seen as the culprit behind beer bellies, lazy afternoons, and unhealthy habits. But what if beer possessed benefits that have been overshadowed by these common misconceptions? Contrary to popular belief, beer, when consumed in moderation, can indeed be beneficial to health. It's not just a frothy beverage with a bitter tang. It's a concoction of barley, hops, water, and yeast, each ingredient contributing its own set of perks. Take barley, for instance. It's a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has a high fiber content which aids in digestion, lowers cholesterol levels, and reduces the risk of heart diseases. Hops, the flowers used in brewing beer, are packed with compounds that have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and even anti-cancer properties. They contain a component called xanthohumol, which research suggests can help prevent certain types of cancer. Water, the main component of beer, ensures hydration, and yeast, it's a probiotic. It aids in maintaining gut health, boosting the immune system, and improving skin health. Now, the alcohol in beer, it has its own merits too. Moderate consumption of alcohol has been linked to an increased level of high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol, which helps protect against heart disease. But remember, the key here is moderation. Overindulgence in beer, or any other alcoholic beverage for that matter, can lead to health issues like liver disease, obesity, and addiction. To recap, beer in moderation can offer several health benefits. It's a source of essential nutrients from barley, hops, yeast, and water. It aids digestion, promotes heart health, fights against certain types of cancer, maintains gut health, boosts the immune system, and even improves skin health. And it also plays a role in increasing the levels of good cholesterol in the body. So, next time you're at a social gathering, holding a pint of beer in your hand, remember, you're not just holding a drink. You're holding a cocktail of health benefits, a brew of tradition, and a toast to good health. But always remember to drink responsibly. Here's to changing perceptions and embracing the unexpected benefits of beer. Cheers!